Hello, my name is Willa. My channel is Willa at Home. Today I am presenting to you 7 website testing jobs. Website testing is a type of work that can also be considered as a side hustle. It is a great way to make some extra cash. And with most of the usability testing websites paying around $10, it can be a good side job. What is website testing? As a website tester, you have to go to a website and see the functionality of different sections of that website. You will be checking to see if everything is working properly on the site. You will navigate through the website and you are required to speak out about your opinion on the website. With some testing companies, you might need to use a webcam as well. Here are 7 companies that hire website testers. The first one is Userlytics. You have to answer some basic questions and give a sample test to apply for this role. You get the invites for the website tests through email. They pay $10 for each test, and the payment is through PayPal. The second one is user testing. For user testing, the process is quite simple. You sign up with your details, and after getting approved, you start getting invites for the test. The pay is usually around $10 for a 20-minute video, and the payment is through PayPal. For this company, you can also test apps along with websites, though you might need to have an iPad, iPhone or Android devices for the app tests. The third one is What Users Do. Another good usability website which is open to international candidates. The sign-up process is simple. Once you register, you need to download a screen recorder and give a sample test. The screen recorder records your movements when you are checking a website along with recording your voice. You get invited for tests through email. The payments are through PayPal, and the pay is $8 per test. The fourth one is Userlytics. With Userlytics, you don't need to take a test before starting working on websites. Simply sign up, and you get invited to test. One thing you would have to keep in mind is, this company requires testers to use a webcam while recording your voice on the microphone during the test. They pay us $10 per test, and you get paid by way of PayPal. The fifth one is TrymyUI. TrymyUI is another good company to start your website testing. The sign-up process is simple, and as with other usability sites, you get invited through email. The pay is $10 per test, which can take around 20 minutes. The benefit with this company is that you get to test apps and websites. This means you can get more work with this company than some of the other website companies. The sixth one is Enroll. Enroll comes with different usability testing gigs. Enroll is flexible in a way that it lets you test on any device. You can do a lot of mini tasks with this company. The payments are through PayPal. The seventh and last on the list is Analysia. You just need to register your details and wait for the invite with this company. The whole sign-up process is quite simple, and the pay is $10 per test. Each test takes up to 15 to 20 minutes. The payments are through PayPal. A few things to remember: website testing is not a full-time job. Therefore, you may not make a full-time income from this. But website testing can be a great extra income. It is also recommended to accept the invites as soon as you get them in the email. Because the workflow might not be continuous, so if you are interested in this type of position, try to sign up for as many website testing companies as possible. This will help you get invited for more website tests. Thank you for joining me today to hear of companies that can help you earn extra income. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And click the bell to be notified of more interesting job opportunities. Like this video if you found this information valuable. Until my next video, have a great day.